What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
Hey, po boys and po girls. We're doing art.
Car art!
Car art. Not Carhartt, don't sue us.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Check out, we're gonna weld. Woo-hoo. Use those guys. Not too sure how they're gonna weld up to the steel rotor.
Steel rotor art.
Steel rotor cart.
This is probably.
They were joking about putting like a turn.
Yeah, rotating. Yeah.
Or just cut them all the same way.
Yeah.
Oh, cut them all down.
Oh, you could cut it off to here.
Oh yeah, so it holds
it's
it.
all even.
You can do that, either one. That
Like,
works.
comment, subscribe if you want to buy one.
Yeah, for real.
So we got pre-orders. We're taking pre-orders. We got the first one. No one ordered it.
All right, well, here I go. I'm gonna weld some stuff up. Hopefully it works out. Thank goodness I have good old Rammy right here. Good old Rammy.
I like it. I like it already. All right, look away. Except the audience.
Oh.
Probably if I turn the gas on.
Oh yeah. Don't forget about that part. Remember I said Remy's a professional. We'll get it.
What?
What? Oh yeah, we're doing this over here. Well, this man's working on his Honda.
It's a Honda.
It's not a Honda.
TM.
Too
Look at
much.
it. A V-Tech.
Oh shoot!
It's a UL EV.
Oh my
V-Tech.
goodness. Oh my goodness gracious.
Honda Motor Company. All right, next step. Remove the belts.
Don't look at it. Don't look. Remy, don't look.
It's the Ark of the Covenant. You'll burn your mouth up.
Yep, it's coming along. So far, so good. That's good. What do you think, Ship? Like whatever.
It's not ship approved.
It's not shipwreck approved.
We always say
It just looks like
Yeah.
wreck, but not a ship.
Oh, he's all ship, no wreck.
Yeah. You can feel the metal flex. It starts pulling.
You feel it?
It's on.
Do you feel it, bro?
Riding wave.
Oh no. We got it, but yeah, we're thinking because since this will be next to my bed, it's still a little too low. I thought this would be long enough, a little bit longer for my bed, but not. So. What, Joey?
I think you're forming.
I think so. Sturdy.
Dirty. You can grind those shitty welds off.
Dang. Oh yeah. That's good. Sweet. We're gonna cut each bolt the same size. Probably raise this up here up top. Give me that room I need to put a table up top. I'm gonna cut a piece of steel that we have over there, and then I'll put it on top here and have a little nightstand. It's pretty cool. Car art. Woohoo!
Clamp this part down.
Oh.
Yes.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Cut it.
Ready? Doctor, you've done it!
Honda Accord, changing plugs, taking off the valve cover. Not like this, for sure. Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh man, that's spot on. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's do it that. Little shims worked. Made little shims right there to balance it out. A little haggard, but oh well. You won't see them. So with the top on top, and we'll be good.
After all this, you put the glass, and then you just have a giant sheet that covers everything anyway.
You don't even see none of it.
Yeah. This looks pretty cool. Better cover it. Hey, don't look on that. That's what we need.
Yeah, that for sure.
Oh, that's perfect. Perfect in every way. Alright, over here.
Gonna fix a tape or something. There's some small piece in there.
There's some nonsense going on in this Honda, right? Bullshit.
Hey, check out how we do spark plugs.
Yeah, but you need to put something over it.
Look at that.
That's how you're supposed to do it, right?
That's horrible, man.
Here, let me fix it. There you go. Put your spark plug in. You're perfect now.
Put that back in the box. Get your money back.
Let's grind.
Don't throw it away. You gotta reuse it.
Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna use this after.
When's the last time you did a tune-up on this, Angel?
About
A couple years ago?
1899.
Oh. Woohoo. Next day, we went to sleep and all that stuff, but yeah. Yeah, kind of went to sleep. No, I still have to grind all this down. And then Shipwreck is getting the plasma cutter together.
Yeah, make sure this thing works.
Hopefully it does.
It does work. We just never use it. So,
Yeah.
that'd be fun.
Alright, well looks like this is all good. Each one about the same. And we'll be ready to...
Cut it. Oh, I still need to look at how to use that. Still haven't looked that up.
True, okay. Then we'll get to that part soon, so...
With our infinite calculato, we had this prepared for 220. You can adjust. You can use it for both, but people say they blow the breakers a lot on the 110. Steel sharpie a string.
Earning your marshmallows today, baby.
Hey, this is how we did the fire pit.
Oh yeah? With a magnet and a string? Wow.
How did that? What does that have?
You gotta go in more? Yeah, you have to go more. Bring it in more this way, huh?
No,
So
this
get the
is
circle.
the same distance.
It is?
The string must have gone.
Aww. See, you need to go inward.
But it's the same distance.
Tune in next time to see what Shipwreck will do next. Here's the fun. Here's the
Here it's done.
Here it is. It's done, everybody. We got it. Yeah, the magic happened behind the scenes. Same thing. He just went in circular motion.
Just gotta remember what circle to cut.
Yeah, the smallest one, the inside one. So go all the way around. Got everything ready? We gotta clean the mask off for you.
Yeah, that's just
Great.
great. It's
Yeah.
kind of hard to see.
There it goes.
Alright, plasma cutting.
Let's do it.
That's good enough.
Hey man, not bad, not bad. Just gotta shave the side, get it all cleaned up.
Yeah, not bad. First plasma cut.
Yeah, not bad for the first try. It looks pretty solid. You're not all like wavy the whole way.
Just, yeah, you just gotta keep the steady hand. You
Yeah.
probably could do it better if you just really,
Held your
because
hands down.
it really just cuts through
Yeah,
it.
like nothing.
Once I had to dial the power up a little bit.
Uh,
At first I had it way too low. It wasn't even going through. It was like, he'd melt it and then weld it back. So or it just wasn't cutting
Yeah.
straight. But a higher, that right there is cutting right through it.
Nice. All right, looks like it's my turn now. Give it a shot. Oh no! That's cool. Now let's clean up the edges. Let's see if it's still even. This side, let's see from this side. Woo! It's still good. And then this side. Dang!
All the marshmallows.
All the marshmallows.
All the marshmallows in the bowl.
Yes. Oh, that's great. Those look nice. Oh yeah, yeah.
Nice.
I can put this right here.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Oh, great. Woo, looks like Angel fixed his car. Timing, water pump, spark plug wires, valve cover, gasket seals, everything. All right, start her up. Let's see what happens. Oh, so cute. That sounds clean. That's smooth, man. Damn, that's.
Better in here.
It sounds-
It doesn't vibrate anymore like
It's way better.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a dildo anymore.
Woo!
Burning properly now.
Yeah, now it's like not gargling in the freaking spark plug. That sounds clean, man.
Well, thanks to POHBOYS Garage.
Cool. So right now, pretty much all nice and shaved down. It's pretty smooth, doesn't cut you. It's all good. Right now we're trying to just measure it up, get it centered, and then we will weld it all in all the way to the studs. Each stud will get a weld, and then we'll be good on that part. Woohoo! All right, so we pretty much flipped it upside down. We're gonna tack it in, weld it in, call it a day. Clean up all the rust and stuff, and then we should be good, right? I think so. There's not much to it. Yeah, exactly. Chevrolet gets to try out his new little welding helmet. That's cool. Works pretty good?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. It's like a whole game changer compared to that old one.
Hell yeah,
You
dude.
can actually see where you're gonna try to weld at.
Can't wait.
Yeah, you don't have to adjust all the time.
That's cool.
Just gotta hide my eyes.
Yeah, ready? Woo! And just like that, we're solid. Shearbrake ended up doing it.
More welds.
More wells, yeah. Getting more
They're
practice
not
on.
good. They're not pretty.
But we're good.
It's gonna hold it. You test it.
Yeah, that's good. Wow.
It's like those.
Oh yeah, it moves. Hell yeah.
Oh, we can build our own teacup.
Yes. Come on down to POHBOYS land. Poland.
Oh man.
Poland.
Poland.
Pretty much call it a day on this. We're pretty much done. Yeah, clean up more and we're good. Yeah, heck yeah.
Furniture builders.
Furniture builders, first time doing this. Yeah. POHBOYS and POHBOYS.
If you want to see more furniture.
Yeah. Damn, there you go.
That's a little mark.
From the welds? Oh yeah.
What is that? The ultimate test.
We just made bar stools. It's been pretty good.
Oh, I cut my legs.
Well, that'll do it, everybody. Hope you enjoy this episode of our little mischief welding of the little side table. Came out pretty cool, all out of car parts and tools that were just laying around the shop. But yeah, if you enjoy this episode, give it a big old thumbs up, hit that notification bell up in the corner, and we'll definitely catch you guys next time. Woohoo! Yeah, it's all going. Woo! It's all zoomed in. Look how zoomed in it is. Oh my god.
That's cool.
Which way do you want to go?
My wallet's over here now.